construction first lesson. Fourth number, construction. Name of the construction is to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. With this construction we solve the practice set 5. So now today we are going to start the next part in this lesson. Here do the activity. Try to draw a triangle with the following data. Activity: triangle ABC in which measure of angle A is 85 degree, measure of angle B is 115 degree, length of AB is 5 cm. कृती करावयाची आहे या दिलेल्याप्रमाणे. पाहूया. Let us try to draw the triangle ABC. On this given information or data, draw the triangle ABC. The length of AB is 5 cm. Here take a ruler and take a distance 5 cm. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cm. After that, give the name of its AB. The length of AB is 5 cm. Now, take a protractor. There is given the measure of angle A is 85 degree. So, center of the protractor put on point A. Write the from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 85. Mark there. Draw the point. Draw the segment. Write the measure. Measure of angle A is 85 degree. Measure the angle B. Put the center of the protractor on point B. Measure this angle from left to right. Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. So between 110 and 20 is 115. Here, when we given the data to doing the triangle ABC, the measure of angle is 115 degree. Here we do not get the triangle ABC on given data. Could you draw this triangle? No, because here when we measure the two angles, 115 means 85 degree plus 150 is equal to 5 plus 5, 10 carried over 1 plus 1, 2 plus 10, 2 plus 8, 10 carried over 1 plus 1, 2, 200 degrees Celsius. You know that the measure of three angles of a triangle measure is 180 degree. So here 20 degree is more major, hence we cannot draw the given data, draw the triangle. Let us do the next activity. Draw the triangle PQR in which length of QR is 2 cm, length of PQ is 4 cm and length of PR is 2 cm. Draw the triangle on this data. Second activity is PQR in which QR is 2 cm. Here draw the first QR. PQ is length of PQ given is 4 cm. PQ 4 centimeter and other side is given QR and PR is 2 centimeter. Here we do not draw the triangle because one side is greater than other two sides. Here could we draw these triangles? No, because there is two sides are same and one side is bigger. Let us learn the next point is congruence of segments. रेषाखंडांची एकरूपता. Now see here, we take one rectangular paper. The paper shape is like a rectangular because its opposite sides of the rectangular are always equal. So here is the 1, 2, 3 and 4th side. These sides and these sides are opposite to each other. These sides and these opposite side is, these both opposite sides are 2. Hence, when we this side place on its opposite side, what do you see? When the one side of the rectangular paper place on opposite sides, then the opposite sides of the rectangular paper, when placed to opposite sides one upon the other, they coincide exactly. After that, these coincide, the two opposite sides place to opposite sides one upon the other, the coincides exactly. एक आयताकृती कागद घेऊन त्या कागदाच्या समोरासमोरील बाजू जुळवल्या तर त्या तंतोतंत जुळतात हे आपल्या यावरून लक्षात येईल. Let us do the second activity number 2. Okay students, now let us see here, are of the same length. Measure the two segment here, AB and PQ. You know that the segment informations about you have studied in the standard 6. The segment has end point and the length has limited. So here first measure the length. AB is 5 centimeter and the length of PQ here measure 5 centimeter. So we here understand the length of that means that two segment lengths are the same. You cannot pick up and place one segment over the other. So trace the segment AB along with the names of the points on a sheet of transparent paper. Here we take a transparent paper and that transparent paper put on the segment AB. After that transparent paper, place this new segment, trace the segment AB. Here we get the new segment and that new segment trace on AB, then that segment place on PQ. Here we place the segment PQ on new segment. Here place the new segment on segment PQ. Verify that if A point is placed on point B, then B falls on Q. It means that segment AB is congruent with the segment PQ. आपणास हा जो नवीन रेषाखंड मिळालेला आहे ए बीवरून. तो जर आपण पी क्यूवरती ठेवून पाहिला तर तो अगदी याच्याशी तंतोतंत जुळत आहे. म्हणजे लेंथ ऑफ ए बी अँड पी क्यू आर कॉन्ग्रन्स. नवा रेषाखंड आपण तपासल्यानंतर लक्षात येईल की बिंदू ए आणि बिंदू ए हा बिंदू पी वरती ठेवल्यास बी बिंदू हा आपोआप क्यूवर पडू शकतो. यावरून रेख ए बी व रेख पी क्यूशी एकरूप आहे हे समजते. ऑन दिस ॲक्टिव्हिटी हिअर वी कॅन इन्फेअर फ्रॉम दिस दॅट इफ टू लाईन सेगमेंट्स हॅव द सेम लेंथ they coincide exactly with each other, that is they are congruent. If segment AB and segment PQ are congruent, it is written as segment AB is congruent segment PQ. If given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. If given the line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. On this activity we understand here, जर दिलेल्या रेषाखंडांची लांबी समान असेल तर ते रेषाखंड एकरूप असतात. Now let us see here more example. If a segment AB is congruent segment PQ, it means that segment PQ congruent segment AB. जर रेख AB हा रेख PQशी एकरूप असेल आहे तर म्हणजेच रेख पी क्यू हा सुद्धा रेख ए बीशी एकरूप आहे. Note also that if segment AB is congruent with segment PQ and segment PQ is congruent segment MN, then segment AB congruent segment MN. In other words, if one line segment is congruent to another and that segment is congruent to a third, then the first segment is also congruent to the third. म्हणजेच एक रेषाखंड दुसऱ्याशी व दुसरा तिसऱ्याशी एकरूप असेल तर पहिला रेषाखंड तिसऱ्याशी देखील एकरूप असतो. लेट अस हिअर अंडरस्टँड द कॉन्ग्रुएंट symbol and understand the writing method of segment congruent. Let us do the first activity. Take any box, measure the length of its edges. Which of them are congruent? Here we take one box or like a cube, measure the length of each of its edge. Which of them are congruent? Now here the help of the scale, here we give the name of this box here, point A B. Suppose here measure the AB. How many length of its? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So here AB is 8 centimeter. DC is 8 centimeter, means these sides and these sides are congruent. Other side, these sides are congruent. PQ here we written as congruent. Here the sides are, all sides are here congruent because these boxes are like a cube. When we measure the other length is 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Thus the help of this ruler and scale, here we measure the segments are means edges are congruent. When these segments are measured here 6.5, then its opposite side measure 6.5. Thus these and these sides are congruent. These sides and below its sides are congruent. These sides and opposite side, these sides are congruent. Congruent its opposite side this, and this sides congruent is this. Second, do the activity. Here we do the activity from the shape shown below here alongside. Here we write the names of pairs, congruent, line, segment. The shape of the alongside figure is a cuboid. When we observe here segment, all sides of that there is the segment. So here segment AB and congruent segment DC. These two sides are congruent. Segment AE second pair, segment AE congruent segment BH. After that segment EF is congruent HG, and next pair rec DF congruent side is CG. Okay students, now today's here we stop. Today's we are here we studied the congruence of segment part. Here today's complete. So all of you solve the practice set 6. In next video we learn their congruence of angles. We will study in next video.